back in the garage with some 80s music. We're working on an 80s car. I got no clue what I'm listening to, honestly. It just escalated into this. But anyways, the video that you see is the right front fender and the rear fender. Sorry, the left fender's over here. I'm gonna clean them up and then we're gonna bag them away. Down there's bumpers. There's still a door back here. But we are labeling everything well. Make sure I learned from my buddy Nolan here. Label your baggie. But here we go. Having a good time with this. She's getting ready. Okay, so as you can see, the fenders are off. What we're going to do, we're going to take all of this stuff, label it correctly, take a picture of where they're at, because I know nothing about cars established, and then we're gonna get this inside worked on. We're gonna get it, I don't know, black maybe, probably black, I don't know. It's probably cheaper if it's black. We're gonna take these brackets off, we're gonna fix them up. So, okay, that's all we got for now. Just another day with the FC, neglecting my family. I thought I would take everything out, but it looks like there's a lot of fluids here that I don't want to mess with. So I'm going to, for now, do what I can to get these things out. We're gonna fix those up. Then we're going to see about moving this stuff around and really where the rust is. Broken bolts down here. And now I got to mess with this a little more than I thought. But it's all part of the game. And back there is also keyed in, so we are going to go inside the cab and figure that out. Because I am not looking at manuals just yet. I'm kidding, no manuals for that. Trying to remove the windshield wiper motor. It has two broken bolts. So I got one more to go. It's right there somewhere. Yep, I'm gonna take this guy out. Hopefully it'll come on. Took out the windshield wiper motor. Found a bunch of fuzzes in there. This guy could use some love, but it works. So just gonna clean it up somehow, and then we're gonna put her back in there. But this was today's removal, and also got this brackets off. No clue where they are. We'll find out. But they look ugly. We're gonna see what we can do to fix them. That was a good day. Took out 2 more parts, understood a lot more of the inside, and it was a good weekend overall. So now it's a sunny day. Let's go relax. We'll catch you next time on The Brappening.